Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you on how to cancel your CapCut subscription. So first thing first that you have to do is to click on me. As you can see here, I'm on me, and then I'm going to click on view profile. After I click on view profile, I'll click on Pro. As you can see here on top of my name, there is a button of Pro. Then I'm going to click on it, and then here it will show me the subscription that I'm at, which is Pro. I'm gonna click on, and then I'm going to click on manage. As you can see here, I don't have a cancel button, but in some of you guys will have a cancel button. So if you don't have a cancel button, this is the other way on how you can do it. You're gonna have to go to App Store. When you are on App Store, you're gonna click on your profile at the top there. Then you click on subscription. Then when you're on subscription, as you can see here, there is CapCut Pro. So I'm going to click on CapCut and click on cancel subscription. Then I'll cancel it. That's it guys. As you can see, you have canceled a subscription. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.